Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan on QR code there, winner 25 rand. Welcome to Mabenzo TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Marumo Kalan 0, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Mr. Sizok Chola.
It's Gok.
It's Gok.
Stivo?
Cox.
Hamba njani njani?
Mnandi.
Angiyile nje yami.
Yeah.
Ngisifihlile athi.
Yeah, sure.
Sure njani.
Silokhu sikhumbulile to.
Ayintwana. No, ngisafuna ama drugs.
Yeah.
Sure.
Bosatlina ngada.
Ngisatlina ngala. Ukahle ngapha. Phezulu kwawo.
Kana vele umntwana sike ngadane.
Igada. But izilo ine court ntonto. I hope ibe grand intwana.
Yeah.
Miyenze umsebenzi ogrind Steve.
Sure.
Athamba grand.
Yeah, mnandi.
Sibonge game is Steve, both teams. They gave us entertainment games Steve.
Yes.
It was entertaining. Yeah, created less chances both teams, but mimnandi Steve. Ngokunabo way yabona.
Yeah.
It shows this game was on Steve.
Yeah.
So kuthi uyiphula kancane Steve. Chiefs Steve. Mina ngicabanga sokumele win Steve.
Awucabanga ukuthi kumele win.
Kumele i-draw le game le.
Kahle.
Kumele iphele nge-draw.
Like 0-0 le.
0-0.
Yeah.
But good goal from Lepo Steve.
Sure.
First half they didn't create ama chances amaningi ngikhuluma nge-Chiefs.
Yeah.
Umdusha balala. Udlalile but a little bit off the game of vandag.
Yes.
Lepo Tolibola Barana can take off the player. Munyani na ama crosses wakhe wa empty kangayenzi sense.
Yeah.
Marco naye, you know, aba creatanga izinto eziningi. But coming to the second half, ngisho nayo Marumo, they didn't create. Coming to the second half, and I didn't understand why Marumo idlala ngathiwa ama false nine. Because of modlala ngathiwa ama false line, omunye umuntu kumela abe uyazo receive omunye run behind defense. I-turn work abayenzanga ngaleyo ndlela leyo.
Yes.
Bonke bagijimela ibhola eliwani, bonke ba confusana. For me, ucoach angathi uyafuna kuzama kuyenzani lapha ya. Unhlapho mina I believed ngoba introduce early second half or ngoba aqale ne game yena noSithole because that guy lapha immediately uSithole mid usimplifyile. Marumo me rotate ibhola more than Chiefs. But why? If I rotate sideways, back passes, bangarani behind the defense. Chiefs ebadlala basithemba umdu. Umabuwe naye udlalile was alive nyana. Man of the match Nyamupa udlalile uyiphe i-Chiefs dimension la percent but on the left side right side they couldn't work mabhola yangasebenzi but introduce uNdlovu for me Ndlovu I am fanela le team I am fanela usithed lapha yawu relaxile I like the way yakoleka ngakhona ama ball yayishaya udlala ne10 I think ushaya 10 if I'm mistaken if angikho 8-10 khona lapha uNdlovu udlala grand Steve akunabhola le ayiluzile uyakhona ukuthi abambe ibhola umuntu amfoul so for me it was a poor game but honestly it was something that ungayibukela Steve it was entertaining ngokungathi game lo uzodwa ngolala vele it was nice nalo goal la lepo it was okay Steve so Steve let me tell you something Acham le phezulu yafeel ziyavuya Steve ayikho akekho umuntu ozokutshela ukuthi akuna pressure ndoda ipressure ikhona la phela ndoda ibukela singawina Saturday kuyenzakalani kuyiChiefs neSundowns wane pressure Sundowns ingawina nayo kuyenzakalani sine pressure Chiefs nayo ingawina kuyenzakalani so yabona ipressure yonke lento le and this is what we want South African football imnandi yabona speakzana ngebhola misihleli namajita speakzana ngebhola yangithola it's good for South African football it is yangithola kuthi wonke ma big 3 teams I wish ngaba na 4 or 5 teams big teams la bazojoina laba phezulu kube mnandi ko Eric Tinkabeze uyabona kube mnandi this is football because uyabona na phesheya uyabona Man City uyabona Liverpool ukuthi kuyenzakalani Steve so for a country this is something nice Steve to watch so bona Saturday arena
Danko njalo
so iqeda
arena